Here I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device, in case if you set yourself PIN, pattern or any other lock screen method and unfortunately you forget it and can't unlock your device. So what you have to do in this kind of a miserable situation. Firstly, you have to turn your device off, but as you can see you can't turn it off until you enter the PIN. So what you can do in this case, firstly you have to connect your device to the charger. Then you have to hold down combination power key and volume down for a few seconds till device turns off. Hold it for the whole time until you see the charging screen. Oh, now you can release both keys. And when you see this screen, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds like this. Power key and volume up. Let's try it one more time. After you see Samsung logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. And keep holding it like this for a couple of seconds, and after you enter this kind of menu you can release charger, unplug it. In this menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the fifth option, wipe data factory reset, then tap factory data reset to confirm it. After you see the message data wipe complete, select the first option, reboot system now, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.